Hey there, I'm Kyle, and I wanted to make this guy for, well, yesterday, but I didn't have enough time to, so, well, I wanted to make this video yesterday, whenever it's still, like, Saturday or Sunday, so, yeah, and this is, as you know, by the two heads, and the two tails, and all the red colors and green colors. This is a hideous Zippelback, or aka Barf and Belch. So yeah, he's one of my favorite dragons. So yeah, it was really, really hard to make it because, well, especially because of the tail and of, well, all the red of these little red or white spikes or whatever they are. I don't know if they're spikes or not because they don't look like it. And well, yeah. And well, I ran out of tape, so yeah. So I do hope you like this video. Comment and subscribe down below. Bye.